Right, today I am heading up to Aberdeen to collect my bag that I left on the train the other day. I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to do emails to work and text and things. Left the bag on the train and whoosh, away it went. So luckily it's been handed in, so it's got a lot of work stuff in it. It's got my mobile phone charger, hat, gloves and bits and bobs, so I need to go pick it up, and I'm still not feeling right. Still got this chesty bug thing, it's so annoying. Give it another day, then I might have to go back to the doctor and get some more pills or something. But anyway, that's all so far. Right, I don't know what these white rabbits are here. There's 3 big, massive inflatable rabbits here in the Union Street Gardens. So are they getting ready for Easter? I don't know. Strange. Right, I got my bag back from the lost property and everything was still there, which is good. I've just bought some traditional Aberdeen butteries from Gordon's the bakery. The best butteries and the best original butteries in Aberdeen. So this is Union Street Gardens, as I said. I've never actually been down here before in Aberdeen. Not much to see apart from the inflatable rabbits. Frozen. So anyway, that monument there is to Mary Slessor, and seemingly she was born just near here. So yeah, Mary Slessor, she's got the Mary Slessor Centre, I think, in Dundee. And remember, I was at the not opening, the, see me in my words at the moment, the unveiling, I said, unveiling of the statue in Dundee Centre, just outside the Overgate, to Mary Slessor herself. But she was actually born just near here, beside that little monument. We're trying to find the grave of Elizabeth Duthie, who donated a bit of land to Aberdeen, which is now Duthie Park. And she was buried here somewhere, but I can't find the grave. Right, we found the grave. So behind me is the grave to Elizabeth Duthie. As it says there, she donated a piece of land, which is now Duthie Park. And it's Duthie Terrace, which is where our granddad used to stay as well, which is probably named after her also.
Floor 2. Floor 2. Doors are opening.
Right, we're just headed back to the train now.